What do sneakers sold from the trunk of a car and a global billion-dollar brand have in common? The right mindset and strategy. Today, we're breaking down how Nike turned its "just do it" attitude into a worldwide phenomenon, and how you can apply these lessons to grow your business. Nike didn't start as a billion-dollar brand. In fact, it began with Phil Knight and Bill Bowerman selling running shoes out of the trunk of a car. They weren't just selling shoes, they were solving a problem, creating high-performance footwear for athletes. What started as a small operation has now become a global icon. So how did they do it? Nike's first product wasn't flashy. It was a running shoe designed by Bowerman. He literally used a waffle iron to create a sole with better traction, helping athletes run faster. This focus on innovation and quality set them apart from the start. The lesson here? Start with a product that solves a real problem. When you focus on quality and functionality, customers notice, and that's how loyalty begins. Now, let's talk about branding. Nike's swoosh logo is one of the most recognizable in the world. Combined with the "Just Do It" slogan, Nike created a brand that's bold, motivational, and unforgettable. A strong brand identity doesn't just make your products look good. It creates an emotional connection with your audience. It's what turns buyers into lifelong fans. Nike also redefined marketing by partnering with athletes like Michael Jordan. The Air Jordan line didn't just sell shoes. It became a cultural phenomenon, blending sports, fashion, and lifestyle. The takeaway? Strategic partnerships can skyrocket your brand's visibility. Whether it's athletes, influencers, or creators, finding the right person to promote your product can help you reach audiences you never thought possible. Now, applying these lessons might seem overwhelming, but where do you start? That's where Solega comes in. We do all of the heavy lifting for you. Imagine having your own memorable brand and influencers promoting it everywhere, and you wake up to sales without doing anything. We scale your profitability on Amazon, Walmart, TikTok Shop, and beyond. Visit our website to find out and take a 30-second quiz to see how we can help you. So what can we take away from Nike's journey? Start small and focus on quality. Invest in building a strong brand identity, and don't be afraid to partner with influencers to grow your reach. Which of these lessons will you apply to your business? And don't forget, hit subscribe, ring that bell, and visit Solega if you're ready to take your e-commerce journey to the next level.